What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Wes Fisher. Hey, listen. It's 2023. Are you ready for the three simplest steps that you need to implement now to get started in government contracting? Here, let me move myself right here. So, listen. If you look on the screen right here, we got Sam.gov, right? Sam.gov. This is the website. I'm telling everyone how they can use it to make 6 and 7 figures. If you don't know what I do, you don't know who I am. I'm gonna just be really, really quick to the point. So you can make 6 and 7 figures a year through federal government contracting as a middleman using the middleman strategy. Yes, you can do it. And here are the 3 steps to get started. The first thing you want to do is number one is you want to go ahead and get you an LLC. So listen, you can go to your local Secretary of State and go get you an LLC. If you don't know how to, we do have an affiliate link with InkFile. I highly recommend InkFile. You can use LegalZoom. You can use all the other third parties. I'm not knocking any company out there, but I really like InkFile. So I wanted to show you guys this, for example, just to give you guys an idea. So if I go over to InkFile, this is InkFile here. Again, INCFILE, or the link is below. You can click on Get Started. I'll put myself like in the bottom corner here. Oh, maybe up here. And then you can go to LLC. And here's a cool thing about government contracting. So I'm going over 3 steps here. Step 1, get your LLC. Step 2, get an EIN number. And step 3, register on Sam.gov. So in step 1, if you got the steps done, move on to step 2. If you got step 3 done, hit subscribe because we're going to go further more into the system. But let's say you live in the state of Arizona. I like InkFile because if you get the silver plan, it's just $85. That is how much it costs in the state of Arizona. They only charge you the price of your state. So if you see here, the package is zero, $85 for the silver plan. Let's say you live in the state of California. Oh my God, it's a whopping $5 to get your LLC. However, there is an annual fee of $800 a year in California, from what I hear. Let's say you live in the great state of Ohio. This is where I live at. Ohio is $100 a year. I'm not sorry, not $100 a year. It's $100 one time. Here is just $99. And again, you can get the silver package and you can go ahead and do it. If you don't know how to get an LLC, I highly recommend you just partner with InkFile and get it done. Okay. If familiar with getting LLCs and you're cool with that, just go to your Secretary of State and go get you another one. Okay. Now you're probably wondering, Wesley, what about the gold plan and the platinum plan? Well, all the services they have with InkFile are really good. Honestly, to be honest with you guys, the gold is kind of all you need. So let's just pick another state here. Let's say Texas. Let's say you live in the state of Texas. You're looking at $300. That's your state fee. And then you can pay InkFile $200 more. And what they do is they expedite the shipping. I think the silver can take a couple of weeks, but the gold can take a couple of days. And they're also going to IRS.gov and getting your EIN number. So if you don't know, that is step number 2. Okay, step number 2 is to go over to IRS.gov. So if I go in here and I go IRS.gov, right? Go over to IRS.gov. This is after, and remember, this is very important. After you get your LLC, so many people come to me like, "Hey, Wes, I got an EIN number, but I never got an LLC." I'm just like, that doesn't make any sense. Get your LLC first, okay? Then go to IRS.gov, put EIN number in the chat, and then go here. Go to apply for EIN number online, and go ahead and just apply online. You'll get that instantly, okay? So if you do the silver plan, do the silver plan, and then go get your LLC. Then go get your EIN number. If you do the gold plan, they'll take care of the EIN number for you, so everything's done for you. So those are the basic steps to get started, guys. Now, I kind of want to give you guys some tips here because the reason I'm making this video is because this is for all the people that reached out to me and asked me these beginner level questions. I got nothing wrong with beginner level questions, but I got to put it in the video so I don't have to keep repeating myself. As you guys may know, there may be a link below. Maybe there's not. There is a possibility that you can book a phone call with me and talk about government contracting to find out more about how my company can help you get started. But I don't really want to talk to beginners. I don't. I'm just going to say it like it is. If you don't have an LLC, you don't have an EIN, and you haven't even started your registration, don't book a call with me. I just don't do it, because I don't. You're not really serious yet. You haven't even put a pinky in the water yet. So what I want you to do is, step one, go get your LLC. And here's my tip about the LLC: use your home address. The government hates virtual offices. They're very hard to get through on Sam.gov. And number two, don't use a PO box. The government will not allow you to use a PO box. Okay. Also, when it comes to using your LLC, home address, don't use a PO box. And let's see. Wesley, what should I name my company? Y'all, the government does not care. They do not care. Think about the movie War Dogs. Think about AEY. What does the company stand for? AEY. If you haven't seen the movie, go watch the movie. It stands for nothing. It doesn't mean anything. So don't worry about your company name. Just pick something and call it a day. Okay. Then get your EIN number and then go register on Sam.gov. If you don't know how to register on Sam.gov, it's worth just spending time doing it because it is free. If you go here, right here, the website is 100% free. We are going to post an updated video of registration. I'll take that back. We may post it on YouTube. I'm not sure if we can or not, legal wise. I'm not sure. We're going to kind of find out about that. If not, we definitely have a free resource about getting registered. So reach out to us, leave a comment below or something like that, or reach out to us and we'll try to help you guys out as best we can. But understand, guys, it's free. You can go do it yourself. There are these third-party companies that will charge you money, but you don't have to use them if you don't want to. All right, guys, I don't want to make this video too long. Those are your 3 steps to getting started. Click the link below if you want to get started. The links are below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, peace.